Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to use QuickBooks in online bookkeeping. So QuickBook is the commonly used or the most popular platform in accounting solutions for businesses. So all you have to do is just log in QuickBooks in your Google. Then after logging in your QuickBooks, we will explore how to add customers and suppliers, how to track deposits and expenses. So for adding customers, we have to just click the plus icon in here. So as you see, there's a lot of options in QuickBooks that can make your accounting transaction hassle-free and easy. So for adding customers, you just have to click the add customer in here. Okay, so all you have to do is just input the customer's informations. For example, let's say Jana, then you have to input the customer's email, the mobile number, the company's name, the phone number, the fax, and the website. So for example, the website is okay, let's just skip the website. For example, the email is Jana gmail.com. So you also have to input the address of the customer. If the customer had to address, then you can also write a message, or you can also attach attachments. For primary payment method, for example, I have to use cash, and then it also has additional information for the customers. So for example, the opening balance of Miss Jana is 999 pesos as of July 23, 2024. So after you input all the information of your customer, you just have to first review it and then save it. Okay, so we already have our customer Miss Jana in our account. Let's add another customer. Okay, let's say for example my new customer is Miss Lynn Perez. Okay, so after I input all the information of Miss Lynn, so I'll gonna click for example the balance of Miss Lynn is for example 10,000. Okay, so after it I will click the save button. Okay. So we already had two customers. Okay, so Miss Jana and Miss Lynn. Okay, and then how to track deposits. Okay, for example, let's say Miss Jana. Just click the new transaction, payment. Okay, so our customer is Miss Jana. And then, okay, let's say cash reference number. So for example, Miss Jana paid 53.96 pesos as of August 31, 2023. August 31, 2023. And then, okay, you can also put message in here, or a memo or an attachment. Okay, so after you input information in here, you can save it and close. Okay, so Miss Jana has a 945.04 in existing balance. So for Miss Lynn, new transaction, payment. Let's say that Miss Lynn paid 500 pesos, for example. So just save and close. Okay. So here is the transaction list of our two customers. So you can also add suppliers in QuickBooks. So you just have to click the expenses, then the suppliers, and then so I already encoded one suppliers in here, that is Flowdesk Incorporated. Okay, so we will just have to encode another one. So just click the new supplier, then for example, let's say Super Value Incorporated, then the email, for example, market.com, then the phone number, the website, the address, for example, the city is Consolacion, the zip code is 6001, The province is Cebu. The country is the Philippines. Okay. Okay, so after I put all the information of my supplier, so you just have to save it. Okay. So we already have two suppliers in here. We have Flowdesk Incorporated, and then we have SuperValue Incorporated. So this time I want to show you how to track expenses. You just have to click expenses in here, and then new transaction, expense. So our payee, for example, is Flowdesk Incorporated, and then you can say cash and equivalents. And then the payment date is September 7, 2023. Cash. You also have to input the reference number. Okay, so you also have to put description in here. For example, okay, just save. Okay, so for SuperValue, expense. Okay, so for example, our payee is SuperValue Incorporated. Then let's say cash and cash equivalents as of today, July 23, 2024. Let's say cash. Okay, for example, let's say 1,000 pesos. Just save. Okay, so that's it. So we are able to create customers, we are able to create, or we are able to add customers, we are able to add suppliers, we are able to track deposits, and we are able to track expenses. So that's it for now.